YouTubers this assignment. Take the book and quill from the chest, write one word as your answer, sign it with your name, and shoot it out using the dropper. Sounds straightforward, right? Well, maybe not so much. If this took place in a small blank room, then yes, it would be really simple. Just put any word in the book and do as you're told. But what if I expanded the room and made it look like a giant puzzle? Would you still put any word in the book, or would you try to look for clues? This is the dilemma that these 4 YouTubers had to face. This entire process was done anonymously, which meant that they couldn't mention this to anyone, including the other participants. Not that it would be an issue, because they didn't even know who the other participants were. All they were told was that they were competing against other players. One by one, I put them in this giant room that looks like a puzzle. Each contestant got an unlimited amount of time to complete an identical assignment, so as long as they remained in adventure mode, they could do whatever they wanted. They could go have lunch, they could sleep on it, or they could even refused to give an answer. Now, thankfully, none of them gave up and eventually completed the task. I didn't tell them whether they were right or wrong. Instead, I gathered all 4 of them in that same room with completely blank skins, and the real experiment began. Everybody here has done this escape room or this puzzle or whatever you want to call it. The first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna give each one of you time to explain your thought process and why you gave your answer. And the first person I want to unmute is Anonymous 36282861666173. Unmute and say your name out loud.
My real name?
Oh.
I'm Branzy.
Step forward, Branzy.
It's me. Okay, I don't like going first.
Put your head on.
All right. Yep, that's my head.
Bro!
There we go.
Show us your thought process and why you gave the answer hearts, all capital.
As you can see over here in the old F3B mode, you got an H behind this wall. So followed by that, when you play the note behind...
You have this note?
That's the one.
Yeah.
It's a B flat. When you take that down a half step based off of this arrow, you get an A. So there's your H and your A. 3 pillars here clearly signify an E, obviously. Then when you stand on this block right here and you look up, you can see a T in the sky off of the blocks up there. No problems whatsoever so far. And then when we look at this sign, we see that raid is not capitalized, although most of the other nouns within the signs are. So there's your R. I don't remember the T and the S, but trust me.
You really just did the T, bro.
Yes, the T. I don't remember the S. Oh, it was snow. See how snow is capitalized? It doesn't make any sense.
Interesting. Well, thank you for telling us your answer. You can go ahead and mute up again.
Yeah, just let me know when I win.
Oh, okay. Okay, the next person to unmute is Anonymous 17373929469.